MicroPlus Engineering in Stourbridge, and we've got a Star SW20 that I am going to quiz Paul on. It's a real production workhorse, isn't it, this machine?
Yeah, this machine was installed here in 2018, and the success of it is incredible. Talking to Adam here, one of the directors of the company, the speed that this machine operates, in fact, one of the parts that he is making, he's actually now getting every third part for free as a result of the speed of the machine. Now, just to talk about some of the points and the reasons it's so fast, it's an 11-axis sliding head lathe. And the key to this machine is you can balance, turn and mill at the same time, and that's really one of the keys. But also the reduction in idle times, as there's no waiting time between tool changes as a result of the platens. You've also got the star motion control, which reduces idle times and cycle times as well. And importantly, you've got an 8-station back working platen, which gives you those overlapping opportunities. And some of the things with the Star machines also that stand out is the power in the spindles. Now, this machine has got equal power on the back spindle and the main spindle too. So really, you're talking about parts that are maybe slightly, got lots of features on them, areas that you can machine 2 of those features at once or 3 of those features at once. You can get massive savings on this machine.
It's a heavy machine as well, isn't it? I know he's really impressed with the build.
3.5 tons, 3.5 tons, it's solid. He machines harder materials on this as well. He's happy to leave it running unmanned overnight on those materials. He's got the HFT software on here if he needs that as well, into, for chip control. He's been very impressed, and massive savings.
He's got 3 of the Star machines. So what is it ultimately this machine is doing that is different to the others?
It's the more axes. It's having 11 axes. It's having that opportunity to do more machining at once, really, in simple terms, which in turn will make the parts faster, which will give him more time to do other work and increase his profitability.
And of course, you've got the coronavirus business intervention scheme,
running at the moment.
The CBIL scheme at the moment that is running until the 30th of September, where the government is subsidising the first year of interest, and overall that is going to reduce the interest you pay, and some fantastic interest rates as well.
I can't stress enough, there's 2 things I'd want to say about this. This is a time to invest in technology, to make your business, maybe to automate your business as well, like Adam's got here. He's not by this machine, but it's still turning the components. And that's really what you need to do, automate. But if you're scared of investing, if you're reticent, then the government are there to support you at the moment up until September the 30th. There's also the bounce back loan opportunities. You can take those opportunities in order to help you invest in your company, to protect yourself and be prepared for what hopefully will be a great year in 2021.
Yeah, but you've only got about 1 week left on that, so you need to be talking to Star all about that purchase.